I'm telling y'all, this wind over this way is no joke. 60 to 70 mile an hour winds coming through. Intense rain. You see the trees out there. Figure y'all, let y'all see what's coming through North Alabama here. Our storms here are no joke. Just in case y'all think I'll be playing around with these storms down here. I don't play around about them. Right now, I am home alone with 3 dogs. There's a 4th one somewhere. I don't know where he's at. I think he might be hiding at the neighbor's house for the moment. I hope so. Otherwise, he is going to be drenched when he comes back. I'm at a friend's house babysitting their dogs. And as soon as this storm gets by, it's probably pretty peaceful and nice for the rest of the way out. We just got to get past this crap. And you see what I'm having to deal with here. I'm not liking it. And 3 of the 4 dogs are out like a lot. I don't see how they can sleep through this. I guess they know something I don't. See if I can open this door a minute before they run out. That's all. I was going to keep that out there because I didn't want them running out and try to have to run them down to get them back in. Too wet for all that. But anyway, I guess I shall see y'all in the next video, and y'all have a good rest of y'all's evening.